Okay, so question 12, right? It tells us that in the figure below, each circle will be filled with a digit from 1 to 6. And each digit must appear exactly once, and that is a pretty important requirement here. And the sum of the digits are in the neighboring circles. For example, these two should add up to be 6, and that's shown in the figure below. So what digit must be placed in the top circle? Okay, so for these type of questions, you have a pretty important restricting requirement, which is that each digit can only be placed exactly one time. So that means that you have some very rigid limits of the sums. So for example, the largest sum that you would have would be 6 plus 5 equals 11, and the smallest that you would have would be 1 plus 2 equals 3. So if we take that same idea and take that same logic and we take it into this problem, we can look at the largest and the smallest numbers shown in the neighboring circles, which here is 4 and 10. So this is not very, they don't easily tell us just 11 or 3. But if we look at these, there are only 2 solutions to actually solve these and to find the sum when you're restricted by this, right? Because you can't have 2 5s, so it can only be 6 plus 4 or 4 plus 6. So in a competition, you could just take a wild guess and choose one of these and try it out. So we take 6, 4, and then we have at the final part, we have 2 on the bottom, and then 3 here, 1 here, and then finally 5. If we verify here that, okay, 5 plus 1 does indeed add up to be 6, and so we know that this solution is valid and that the top circle is filled with a 5. So then finally we come to the solution of 5.